you seen the signal relief patch and wondered whether this small patch can really reduce pain without drugs, batteries, or any active technology? The product is marketed as a breakthrough solution that supposedly works by rerouting the body's electrical signals to provide pain relief, which certainly sounds impressive at first glance. However, when you look deeper into how the patch is claimed to work, things become less clear. One of the biggest concerns is that there is currently no strong scientific evidence proving that a passive patch can reroute pain signals in the way the marketing suggests. Unlike devices such as TENS units that use an active power source to stimulate nerves, signal relief contains no battery, electronics, or active mechanism. Some users report noticeable relief after wearing the patch, while others say they experience little to no difference, creating very mixed real-world results. This inconsistency makes it difficult to determine whether the benefits come from the patch itself, sensory effects, or even the placebo effect, which is known to influence how people perceive pain. Another factor worth considering is the price. With the cost often ranging from around $140 to $170 for a single patch, many consumers expect clear and reliable results. Customer feedback across different platforms shows a combination of positive experiences and complaints, with some users expressing frustration regarding refunds, returns, and customer service. The marketing also tends to rely heavily on testimonials and carefully worded wellness claims rather than strong clinical proof. That doesn't automatically mean the product is a scam, but it does mean buyers should approach the claims with realistic expectations. Based on the available information, Signal Relief Patch appears to be a product that may help some individuals, but the evidence supporting its core mechanism remains limited, and less expensive alternatives with more established technology may be worth considering before making a purchase decision.